Understanding IT support. The IT support field is one of the best entry points into the tech industry, offering numerous opportunities for career growth, remote work, and financial stability. Whether you're looking for a job transition, a fresh career start, or a side hustle in tech, IT support provides a practical and accessible pathway, even if you have no prior experience. In the course video series, you'll discover the step-by-step process to start an IT support career from scratch and secure a remote job. We'll break down the essential skills, certifications, and hands-on experience needed to stand out in the job market. You'll also learn how to set up your own IT lab, gain experience through free and low-cost methods, and effectively navigate the hiring process. This video series is designed for beginners, career changers, and anyone seeking to secure a remote IT support position. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch your IT support career, with actionable strategies to build your skills, gain experience, and secure a high-demand tech role. What is IT support? IT support, also known as technical support, is the backbone of modern businesses, ensuring that computer systems, networks, and software run smoothly. IT support professionals help users troubleshoot technical issues, maintain hardware and software, and ensure cybersecurity best practices are followed. IT support roles vary widely, from assisting individual users with basic troubleshooting to managing enterprise-level IT infrastructure. Some common responsibilities include diagnosing and fixing technical issues, for example, software crashes, network failures, or printer malfunctions. Installing and configuring hardware and software to ensure optimal system performance. Providing customer support via phone, chat, or email to help users resolve tech-related concerns. Monitoring system performance and applying updates or patches as needed. Ensuring cybersecurity compliance by enforcing security policies, setting up firewalls, and managing user access. Types of IT support roles. There are different levels and specializations within IT support. Understanding these roles can help you decide which path to take. 1. Help Desk Technician, Tier 1. Entry-level role focused on assisting users with common technical issues. 2. Desktop Support Technician, Tier 2. Handles more complex troubleshooting, including hardware repairs and software configurations. 3. System Administrator, Tier 3 and above. Manages networks, servers, and enterprise-level IT operations. 4. Technical Support Engineer. Works with advanced troubleshooting, cloud services, and infrastructure support. 5. IT Support Specialist. A generalist role that covers multiple areas of IT support, often in smaller companies. Why IT support is a great career choice. Low barrier to entry. You can start without a degree, focusing on certifications and hands-on practice. High demand. Companies worldwide need IT professionals to keep their systems running efficiently. Remote work opportunities. Many IT support jobs can be done remotely, making it a flexible career choice. Career growth. IT support can lead to roles in cybersecurity, cloud computing, networking, and system administration. Is IT support right for you? If you enjoy problem solving, working with technology, and helping people, IT support could be an excellent career choice. It's a great way to break into the tech industry and build foundational skills that can lead to more specialized roles in the future. If you are new here, please like, share, and follow my page for more videos. Thank you for watching.